Hi friends, we have x plus y equal to 3 and xy equal to 5. We'll solve this using two completely different methods. For first method, go back to your basic. If you're given sum of roots and product of roots, you can form the quadratic equation t square minus sum of roots into t plus product of roots is 0. Put the values for sum and product. T square minus 3t plus 5 equal to 0. In this equation, a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 5. To find its root, first solve for discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. We get minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. Delta is 9 minus 20 minus 11. Next, solve for roots of t using the equation minus b plus minus square root delta division 2a. Put the values b, delta and a. This become minus of minus 3 plus minus square root minus 11 division 2 into 1. Focus on square root minus 11. This can be written as square root of minus 1 into 11, and if we break it down, we have square root of minus 1 into square root of 11. Square root of minus 1 is represented as iota, so this becomes iota square root 11. This makes two roots of t, 3 plus minus iota square root 11 division 2. This implies either x is equal to 3 plus iota square root 11 by 2 and y is 3 minus iota square root 11 by 2, or x is 3 minus iota square root 11 by 2 and y is 3 plus iota square root 11 by 2. Now we'll see method 2. If you have x plus y and xy, you can easily calculate x minus y using the formula x minus y whole square is x plus y whole square minus 4xy. This gives x minus y whole square as 3 square minus 4 into 5. That means 9 minus 20. And finally, x minus y whole square is minus 11. This gives two values for x minus y as iota square root 11 or x minus y as minus iota square root 11. Now you have two equations, x plus y and x minus y. Solve for them. In the first equation, add both of them. 2x is 3 plus iota square root 11. This gives x as 3 plus iota square root 11 by 2. Similarly, if you subtract both the equation, 2y is 3 minus iota square root 11, making y 3 minus iota square root 11 by 2. This is one set of values for x and y. In the second set of equation, if you add them, 2x become 3 minus iota square root 11, making x 3 minus iota square root 11 by 2. Similarly, subtract both of them. 2y is 3 plus iota square root 11 or y 3 plus iota square root 11 by 2. And this is a second set of solution for x and y. Both method 1 and 2 are great for exams, but method 1 require less calculation, so choose wisely.